Sam here with MarineMax Coco, and today we're going to take a quick walkthrough of this 2024 Sea Ray 270 SDX. As you can see, this is a quantum hull color. You have the white rubber with the stainless steel insert. At the bow here, nice, easy access to the windlass. On the back, we have a single 300 Mercury 4-stroke outboard. Quiet, fuel efficient. Definitely enough horsepower to push this baby. Let's take a look inside. Standing on the swim platform of the 270 SDX, you have plenty of space back here. It's a nice hangout spot when you're at the sandbar. You have a big sun lounge here. You can watch the kids jumping on, off the boat. Let's take a look inside. Plenty of cockpit space, storage everywhere. You can bring everything on this boat. You have a nice, easy tow point here, but you also have a tow point on top of the arch. And you can see a bimini is deployed right now, providing plenty of shade. You can also swing these back to create more space in the cockpit if you're hanging out. You can put a table here and kind of have lunch here. At the helm, we can swing this back. You have a nice 12-inch Simrad, digital throttle binnacle, toggle switches. It's nice, clean, laid out dash. Let's make our way to this side. You have a pump out head, plenty of room down there. You have a little sink as well to wash your hands. Let's take a look at the bow. You have nice loungers here. Armrest flip down, comfortable. Nice spot to watch the views as you guys are underway. And then here is access to the windlass. Easy access, top mount. This boat is available, ready for delivery here at MarineMax Coco. If you have any questions, you want to check this boat out, give us a shout at 321-636-3142. Thank you.